Hello everybody, in this video we will continue to create our add to cart functionality, and first thing we should do is to create new cart for guest user. So let's start with our alter plugin and let's create new tab. Go to the docs, mutations, and we're looking for create empty cart. So add query. Let's name our mutation create cart, and we want to get cart ID back, and as a param we put create empty cart input, which says to Magento we need new cart. Let's try it, and you see we receive data back with cart ID. So let's add it to our application. Let's create new hook for this. Directory cart, hook template, use cart, and new directory for mutations. It's our first mutation, and maybe I just copy this file, create cart. Let's remove everything here, name our mutation create cart, copy it from alter plugin, let's name the type create cart response type, and the response we have cart ID and string. Let's use ESLint Okay, looks good. Let's back to our hook, and here we can use mutation from Apollo client, and we need to put our create cart mutation string, and it will back, the function will return function which we will name fetch cart ID. Let's create state cart ID, set cart ID, use state null, import use state, and use effect. So we want to start fetching on this hook use, and let's create new function create cart, which will be async, maybe we can check if not cart, then we will create new cart. Let's use try catch block. And here we can use fetch cart ID, which return data and errors. In Apollo client response, let's add types. For data it will be our type, and for errors Apollo it's array for Apollo errors, and set cart ID data cart ID, and also we want to return cart ID from our hook. It will be string or no. And we want to use this hook on upstart. Maybe for now it will be in root navigation stack. So we don't need props now. Let's start flow server, and probably we want to console warn our data to see the result. And you see we have empty dot here, so maybe there is some errors. Oh yeah, sorry, I forget to await the response. And you see there's cart ID object with cart ID field. So that's it. In the next video we will store our cart data globally so we can use it everywhere in the app.